Hello students, our today's topic is while loop. As I told you in my last video that while loop is what? The entry control loop. At the time of entry, we have to check the condition in this. I also told that we have three major steps we have to cover in our loops. First is what? Initialization. I'm repeating it again. Test condition and increment, decrement. Initialization means from where my loop is going to start, till what condition I need to execute, and then the increment and decrement part. Then first of all we have to look at the syntax of while loop. Initialization of variables. After that, while. Inside while you have to write what? Condition. This condition obviously return what? True or false. After that, here is what? The set of instructions which is called what? Body of loop. It also contains what? Increment or decrement part also. And there is no semicolon after this. This is what? The while block. If you use any break statement in between, then it will obviously come back. This is what the rest of the program if you want. This is the simple syntax. First of all, initialization of variable. After that, you have to write what? The test condition. If the condition is true, then it will come inside and execute the body part, increase or decrease the value. After that, it will go again to the condition part and check the condition. If the condition is still true, then it will go in the body part of the loop again and execute the instructions. Then again increase or decrease the value. After that, it will go again to the check condition. If the condition is true, then it will keep going on the body of the loop. If the condition is false, then it will directly come out from the while loop. Let's take an example to understand it better. First of all, a simple example. I am taking what? A variable, and I want to print a number from 1 to 10. It's a very simple program. Like this is main. Here is a variable called I. I am taking clear screen. After that, I am initializing a variable by 1 here. This is called what? The initialization. While W is small, this is a keyword again. I less than equal to 10. My condition is what? Till I becomes what? 10. I have to execute my statements. Then what are the statements which I want to execute? First is what? I want to print the value. /n is for new line. I is equal to %d. Here it will come what? The value of I, and then I plus plus. Here is initialization, here is test condition, here is what? Increment, decrement. Nothing else I need to do. After that, get ch. Look now. Here is my main function. Here is a variable called I. It must have some garbage value initially. If I initialize that variable, then it will have the latest value. I is equal to 1. The latest value of I is equal to 1. Suppose this is my output screen I have. I less than equal to 10. The value of I is less than equal to 10. The value of I is what? 1. 1 is less than equal to 10. It's true or false? It's true, because I is less than 10. 1 is less than 10. Then it will become what? True. After becoming true, then it will go inside the while part. This is what? The body of the loop. It will print what? I equal to 1. The value of I. After that, it will increase the value of I. Then it will become what? 2. After incrementing, it will not come out. It will go again to the condition part. 2. Now the value of I becomes what? 2. 2 less than equal to 10. Again it is true. Then it will come again and print the value of I. I is equal to 2. After that, it will increase its value 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes, it is again true. Then it will again print the value I is equal to 3 and so on till 10. If it becomes what? 10? 10 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 10 is not less than but it is equal to 10. Then it will print what? The I value of 10 also. After that it will become what? 11. I plus plus 11. 11 is less than 10. No, now it is false. Then it will come out from the loop. Simply this is the three parts of the loop. This is initialization, this is condition, and this is what? The body part. Body of loop. This is the increment, decrement of variable to count the iterations. This is a simple program to print the value from 1 to 10. If you want to print from 1 to 100, then nothing else you need to do here. You have to write what? 100. If you want to print the value from 1 to 1000, nothing else. You have to write what? 1000 only. There is no need to write these statements again and again. This is the advantage of while loop. Let's take one more example. I want to print all the even numbers between 1 to 100. Then what I need to do is I have to start a variable by 1. Look at here, I have started my variable by 1. What I need to do is I want to print all the even numbers from 1 to 100 here. I have to take a variable I is equal to 1 till what condition? While I less than equal to 100. I need to run my loop till 100. If now I need to check I divide by 2 and the remainder is 0. If I mod 2 equal to 0, whatever result it may be of this statement is equal to 0 or not, it will return obviously true or false. If it returns what? True, then I need to print the statement printf I is equal to %d, the value of I. Otherwise, in else case, I need to print something? No, because I need to print only a even number, not the odd number. Simple I plus plus. There is no else of this. If look, I is equal to 1. This is what the initialization of loop. While I less than equal to 100. This is what the test condition. This is my output screen. I mod 2. If I divide I is what? 1. If I divide it by 2, then remainder is what? 1. In integers, we cannot take the decimal values. Here is what? Remainder is 1. 1 is equal to 0. False. Then it will not go inside to print. It will come out and increase the value of I by 2. After that, again it will check the condition 2 is less than equal to 100. Yes, it is again true. Then it will go inside and check the condition 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0 is the remainder. Means this expression has returned what? 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes, now it is true. Then it will come inside and print I equal to 2. I increase the value 3. 3 is less than equal to 100. Again true. 3 mod 2 equal to 0. It will become false because the remainder, if I use what? 3, then the remainder will be 1. Then 1 is not equal to 0. Then it will come out and increase the value. Look, if the condition is false, then it will come outside the if block, not the while block. This is what? The I plus plus. Then it will become what? 4. Now 4 is less than equal to 100. 4 mod 2 equal to 0. Again true. Then it will print the value and so on up to 100. this is how the loop works, the while loop. This is what the body of the loop which I want to execute more than one time. This is the simple program of while loop. This is simple introduction. Try to read it completely and execute the programs on IDE also, so that you can be familiar with the syntax also. Thank you.